Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Francis Star here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on this website. Okay, so this website is actually a website where you complete simple tasks like completing simple surveys and you get paid doing it. Okay, so right here on the top of my screen you can see, okay, at the top of my screen you can see I have um okay, let me quickly cycle it. You can see I have 1000 points here. Okay, and on this platform this 1000 point is $1. Okay, it's calculated as $1, and to withdraw on this platform all you need is to just make up to $5 or $10. So once you make up to $5 or $10, you can be able to withdraw on this platform. And believe me, one sweet thing about this website is there are lots of surveys for you to perform. Okay, so right here you can see right here, this is a survey that you're gonna just answer a few questions and you're going to get $0.75, which is 750 points. So right here you can see this is $0.50 right here. Right here you can, okay, let me scroll down a bit. Some of them is not going to show you the points until you click on it. Okay, so this one right here is going to pay you $0.60 to just answer some questions. Okay, so the name of this website is zoombox.com. Okay, but don't click off this video to go and sign up. Okay, so let me show you how you're going to sign up. And if you're signing up using the link I'm going to drop in the description of this video, you're going to get a welcome bonus for yourself, a huge bonus. Okay, so if you're seeing my video for the first time on this channel, I will say you should hit on that subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop new videos on this channel you get notified by YouTube. You can just watch the video and then implement whatever I teach. Okay, so right here there are several ways you can make money on this platform. Okay, so let me just scroll down and then show you how this platform works. Okay, so I'll just click on the home button. So right here you can see to make money on this, okay, sorry, to make money on this platform you're just gonna follow these 3 steps. Okay, so you can see right here you're gonna answer surveys to make money, you can watch videos to make money, you can complete offers to make money, and you can also invite your friends to make money. Okay, so each of the ones you complete on this platform you're gonna be making money. And one sweet thing is they always have a lot of surveys available for their members. So once you just log in you're gonna see available surveys. So when you just go through them you click on it and you answer the simple questions they're gonna ask you. So once you're just done with that, the money is gonna be added to your dashboard immediately. And once you get up to $5, you can actually redeem it through gift cards or through your PayPal account or anyone you choose to withdraw with. Okay, so right here I'm just going to show you how to create the account. So once you just finish creating your account you can just log into your to the website and start making money for yourself. Okay, so I'll just log out right now and then show you how you can create account, and then I'll still have to show you one or two things on this website. Okay, but first thing first, let me show you how to create an account. Okay, so once you click on the link you're going to see in the description of this video, you're going to be directed here. Okay, so once you get to this place, what you want to do is just put your email address right here. Remember, you're going to be using the link in the description of this video, so you're going to get a huge bonus once you finish signing up. Okay, so right here you're going to input your email address. Right here you're going to put your password. You click on, okay, sorry, you're going to create account. This is actually for login. Okay, so let me change. Okay guys, this is where you're going to be directed to if you don't have an account already. Okay, so what you want to do is you just have to input your email right here, you create a very strong password and then you confirm the password. Okay, so after doing that you just click here to sign up. Okay, so once you click on sign up they're going to send you a verification link, so you're going to get that from the email you provided already. So once you just go there, you click on the verification link, it's going to direct you to your dashboard. Okay, so once you just get to your dashboard, I already have an account so I'm not going to create another account. Okay, so let me just log in so we can continue while I show you how you can make money for yourself on this platform. Okay, now that you're done creating your account, what you want to do right now is just click on this button right here. So you click on this button right here. So once you click on it, you're gonna see options. Okay, so these are the 3 easy ways for you to make money on this platform. These are the 3 easy ways through survey, watching our videos, and offers. Okay, so what you want to do right now is just click on anyone you prefer. Okay, so let's quickly start with survey. I'm not going to be making this video too long, so I won't be completing any of them. Okay, so I just want to show you, and for those of you still doubting this website, make sure you watch it till the end. I'm going to show you a real proof that this website is working. Okay, just watch this video from beginning to the end. Don't skip any part. Okay, I'm going to clear your doubt and prove it to you that this website is actually paying, and it has paid a lot of people. Okay, so right here, if you want to complete a survey, what you want to do is just click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to open and then show you the list of surveys available. Okay, sometimes surveys are not available, while sometimes surveys are available. Okay, so that is why you have to always log in on the website to check when the survey is available for you. Okay, and these are the list of surveys and how much they are willing to pay for each survey you complete. Okay, so each survey actually has its own point or amount they offer. Okay, so right here you can see this one is showing 0.60. You can see this one is also showing 0.60. You can see this one is showing 0.30, while some of them are not showing till you click on it. So once you click on it, you're gonna see, okay, this one right here is showing 0.75. Okay, so most of the surveys here has different amounts they're gonna pay for you to complete it. Okay, so that is for the surveys. And to watch video, you're just going to scroll down and still click on watch video. Okay, so if you want, you click on the watch video option, you're going to be directed here. So once you get here, what you want to do is click on this hideout. Okay, sometimes the videos are not available in your country. Okay, but if it's available in your country, you can just click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to direct you to the video you are going to watch. Okay, but if it's not available in your country, it's going to just show you. Okay, so right here you can see it loading. Okay, so right here you can see it's not available in my country. Okay, but for those of you that are outside Nigeria, it might be available in your country. Okay, so this is another way you can make money on this platform, which is by completing offers. This has to do with downloading of games, photos, and stuff like that. Okay, so right here you can see what they say here. You can see downloading games. Here you can see endpoint when you download game. This one when you watch video. This one right here, endpoint when you download games. Okay, so there are lots of things. This one is downloading of apps. So when you download this app, you're gonna get points. Okay, and remember, each 1000 points you get is $1. And once you have up to 5000 points, which is $5, you can actually withdraw your money on this website. Okay, so for those of you doubting this website, I want to clear your doubt right now. Okay, so there is this website that your people used to know a real website and a fake website. Okay, so what you want to do right now is, let me open my Chrome browser. Okay, let me open a new tab. Okay, so the name of this website is Trustpilot. Okay, so I'll just click on Trustpilot and then I'll search for this website, so you can see reviews of people that have withdrawn from this website. Okay, you can see lots of testimonials on this website. Okay, so the name of this, let's type in Zoombox. Okay, let's type in Zoombox. Okay, so right here you can see they have up to 956 reviews. Okay, let me circle it so you can see it where you can see they have up to 956 reviews plus 4.7 rating. Okay, you can see 4.7 star rating. Okay, so let me click on it so we can see people's review. Although this website, some people still have their own complaints on the website, but I'm just going to show you few of them. Okay, so this one you can see 7 days ago. This website has been for long, but this is a new review. You can see 7 days ago. Right here you can see make actual money doing surveys. This is one of the first make money, okay, doing service sites that actually pays. Just received my first payment in my PayPal account with no houseless. Okay, if you have the time, patience, and Wi-Fi or lots of data, then do it. Okay, so you can see this person is actually testifying to how he was able to withdraw on this website. This is another 5-star rating 3 days ago. So right here you can see can see 3 days ago. It's very nice job opportunities. I am enjoyed all tasks. It's my first earning website and it's true website. Okay, so you can see this is somebody else review. This is another review. This one is 4-star review right here. This one is around 16th of December. So you can see Zoombox is legit site. Just today I received my pay out from Zoombox at PayPal, but there are some surveys that that's not received the rewards point. Maybe it will credited soon. Hopefully Zoombox will do help to recover those points from the third party, but all in all it's legit site. Nothing to invest, nothing to not waste of time. So right here there are lots of reviews. I can't just be reading all of them. There are lots of reviews about this website. Okay, so guys, I would say you should go and try this website out. It is free. Nobody is asking you any money to sign up. All you just need to work on this website is your data and then your time. Okay, it is totally free. Okay, so guys, I would say you should make sure you use the link in the description of this video to sign up. Okay, and remember to hit that subscribe button if you're new on my channel. Okay, so make sure you like this video, share this video, okay, comment, and then share this video to your friends so they can actually watch the video and then learn how to make money on this website as well. Okay, so thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video.